Good day everyone. If you're willing to generate full AI videos from nothing but text, Kling or one inside OpenArt AI is one of the strongest tools available now. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Kling one AI video generator to create a video from scratch, step by step. Before we start, you'll find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so open it now and follow along. Let's begin. Alright, and before we begin, let me tell you what Kling 1 is inside OpenArt AI. So this is an advanced text-to-video AI model available directly inside OpenArt AI. It allows you to generate videos purely from text prompts, control motion, camera movement, and style, create cinematic, realistic, or animated clips, produce short-form videos for ads, shorts, and concepts. This is true video generation, not image slideshows or photo animation. And now, the step number one is, of course, opening up our video generation tool. You can do this either from here in the video and just choose text to video, or you can just go home, hover your mouse over video, and then choose text to video and click on it. And there you go, guys. This is going to be your generator and your interface. As you can see, I've already got 2 videos generated in here. And now let me explain to you the interface and how everything works. So as you can see, the model I've chosen is already Kling. I'll get to that in a bit. But what do we have? We have the images and videos panel here. So this is where your generated videos will reside, and you can download them and save them to your computer at any time. And on the left, of course, we have our prompt bar, where your prompts reside, where you can write them and tell AI what you wish to create. And now, in order to choose the model, just like I said, Kling 01, you just next to the select model, click on this, and in here just choose Kling. So we have Kling 01, and we have also Kling 2.6, which is new. So in our case, we're working with Kling 01. So just choose this one, just click on it, and now we are ready to use this particular model to create our video from scratch and from text. And now, guys, you can just start writing a strong video prompt. So your prompt controls everything: scene, motion, and style. A good Kling 01 prompt should include a subject, environment, motion, camera behavior, and visual style. And for example, let me type in my prompt. So this one, for example. So just note that we have everything in here. Cinematic shot of what? Futuristic city at night, sorry. This is object. Flying cars moving through neon lit streets. So this is our motion. Smooth camera pan is going to be camera behavior. Realistic lighting is visual style. And high detail cyberpunk style is just also visual style, sorry. And after that, you can choose whether to enhance or not, to add audio or not. As you can see, we can just use audio. Let us actually do that. Let me just type in insert some relaxing music, something like this. Right, enable that. Now our audio is also going to be generated. Then choose the duration, up to 10 seconds, and choose, let's choose the portrait style this time. Right, and then, as you can see, you can just see a summary of how many credits you'll be charged, because the service is using the credits as a currency, main currency, to generate your videos and photos and do other AI shenanigans. And after that, just click on Create. Turbo is on. We have the essential plan that you can once again grab from the video description and the link in there. And let us wait for the video to be made. Alright friends, so here's our video. There you go. So I suppose this relaxing music isn't quite fitting to the video, but it's included, which is cool. As you can see, cars flying in the air. Interesting. So this is our video, guys. Completely generated from scratch, from text, with inserted audio as well. And all of the summary of the video that was created can be found here: model, prompt, sound prompt, creation mode, duration, etc, etc. And now just go ahead and download it, download as MP4 with audio. Alright, and also as you can see in here, we have a remove watermark. So this is the premium plan feature. So as you can see, a bunch of perks of getting yourself a premium. And now let me open up the video. So as you can see, this is our video, generated from scratch, cars and stuff. Yeah, completely from zero. Of course, it's not entirely perfect. Some of the things are going through the textures and stuff, but it's AI generated, but you can tune it, but you can fine tune it as well and fix those issues easily. You can just edit your prompt and generate again. That's it for this video. Enjoy creating your videos with Kling 01 model inside OpenArt AI. You'll find once again the link in the video description to this service, and the link will give you an ability to start quickly and easily. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.